Well, it's tax season again, and so for our clients, real quick, 1099-Rs for distributions taken from retirement accounts, those have all been issued and mailed. If you haven't received yours, give us a call. We can get you a copy. Those are final, so you can use those for filing your taxes. For after-tax investment accounts, non-IRAs, these are joint tenants with rights to survivorship accounts, individual accounts, joint tenants in common accounts, all those types of accounts. You can find your 1099-R posted online. They'll be postmarked next week. Those are still not final yet. Now, it may go final, but it still has a good chance of being revised. So if you have not seen that, you can always go download it online, but you might get it in the mail the next week or so. We always recommend waiting until mid to late March to actually file your taxes in case those 1099s are revised. So, and with tax season comes a familiar enemy, and that is fraud. And the IRS is again warning everybody about potential scams and things to be alerted about. And this article right here goes through a number of these. And when you go through these, you'll see that it's quite intimidating. I won't go through each one. As a matter of fact, I think we can make this available on our, Michael, can we make this available on our blog? So yeah, we can make this available on our blog so that you can actually go in and download this document and see, because this is just common knowledge here, the IRS. But here's the deal. The IRS isn't going to call you. The IRS is going to send you a letter. So if you get a phone call from somebody saying, well, this is the IRS and you are committing fraud and there's a warrant for your arrest or something like this example right here, that's not true. They will send you a letter. They will not email you. So if you receive a letter from something that looks like the IRS, you can always call a phone number on there. Be very careful. Be very wary. Again, this is a lot of the reasons we recommend using a CPA. Okay, because CPAs, they're on top of it. One thing also to be aware of is identity theft related to tax returns. Be careful with your information, all right? There's not a lot of ways to guard against that in the event somebody grabs your information and fraudulently files a return on your behalf. It's a scary thought, it's a scary situation, but be aware that to guard your information at all times, be careful who you give your information to. Shred things, shred them like they're going out of style. Burn it. I don't care what you have to do. Don't just throw anything away. Have a good weekend. Call us with any questions.